guys, what's up? What's up freaking up? It's Hugo 3000 Gaming and we're back with a brand new video. So I'm just here to share my first match of the new Cars update. I actually won this match, which makes me pretty happy. It was a pretty sweet match. People weren't sweats. They were just, chilling. I really like this. I wish Fortnite was always like this. This was the start of the match. I landed retail row for some cars and stuff. You can see me over here just landing and stuff. And here are my first 3 kills. These were one of my favorite kills ever. So I land. For some reason, there was a guy right in front of me, crouching and standing up. He doesn't shoot at me. I get a bolt. I'm insane with bolts. Look what happens now. Just wait. Just give me 1 second. I'll just look at this. I just love this, man. Look at this. First kill. Second kill. And my third one just comes in just a second. Oh, you'll see this one. 10 HP. 50. He has attack and everything. He gets no scopes. I am the king of no scopes, guys. I don't know why, but I kind of am. I'm a king with bolts. I don't know why. Yeah, I muted it on. I had the emote, man. That was such a sick kill. So then the match went on, and let me just skip to the part where I got my first car ever. Okay, there was marauders. Let me just skip to the part when I'm done with those dumbass marauders. Alright, so here's where I find it. Typical truck. Yeah. The match goes on again. I kill more marauders. Oh, here's one of my favorite parts of the game. So I'm just chilling, healing up, and then there's some kids in the car, and he just driving over. I thought he was gonna kill me, so I boxed up. But then I'm like, oh, okay. He's good. I get in the truck. And we're just, driving. Oh, I can add him. Hold on. VG boys 7370. VJ. Boys. 7370. Match goes on. I'm still no, not yet. Yeah, here. Here's still showing. Kind of annoying. I thought I was gonna get freaking. This is the really cool part of the cars. You can just get out and freaking shoot. It's so cool. I'm trying to shoot at people, but I'm not screwed up. I'm glad Epic Games understands that we're in update night. Then there's this guy who decides to crack my sheet. I'm kind of mad about this part because over here somewhere, where is it? Yeah, over here. I'm just chilling, drinking my minis, and my freaking teammate, the guy who I was teaming with, just yeets. What the frick, Dick? I shot at him. Game's lying. Crap. Okay, so here I'm just fishing. This is actually my 9th solo win because I really like. I know that's the excuse I always say, but it's the truth, okay? I thought my game froze there for a second. Okay, so right there, I try sniping him. I don't hit it. I went for this pledge drop. Here's where I got the final gun. So he has a grappler. He took some storm damage. I actually want to see. He had no health. He had 8 kills. I feel bad for the guy. Not really. I need the dubs. The numbskull is just there. He's not gonna kill me. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna survive. I almost sniped him there. I think this time I sniped him. Yeah. He's gonna edit a window and I'm gonna snipe him. Yeah, there you go. This is where I get my dub. WW dub. Okay. Hello, motherfucker. Apparently I tried no scoping him. I don't know. And boom! Level 105. Let's go. That was such a good match. Okay, guys, that was basically it. See you guys later. Peace out. Hit the like button, bell it, and peace out. Bye-bye.